Hi friends, welcome to SSCG Electrical. In this video, I am going to discuss about important previous questions on Thevenin's theorem, and these questions will be useful for SSCGE paper 2 exam. Okay, see here. Thevenin's theorem. In any linear active bilateral network consisting of number of energy sources, resistances etc. with output, that is open output target terminals defined, can be converted into simple network that is consisting of voltage source in series with the resistance. Okay, so like this you can write the statement. After that you can draw the diagram for this network AB terminals and voltage source in series with the resistance. And in other words, you can also write voltage source in series with the resistance. Thevenin's theorem states that voltage source in series with the resistance, where the value of the voltage source is open circuit voltage across two terminals, and the resistance is equivalent resistance between the two terminals. So like that also you can write. So before attempting any question regarding Thevenin's theorem in SSCGE paper 2, it's better to write the statement and basic network. Okay, so after writing the statement, you can draw like this network with two terminals and voltage source in series with the resistance, and this Thevenin's voltage also can be open circuit voltage. You can show like this. After that you can attempt the given question, and after this you can discuss some of the important previous questions on this topic. So what is the value of Thevenin's voltage in the given circuit? What is the Thevenin's voltage in given circuit? This is the SSCGE 2014 question, and it was given for 10 marks. You can see here how do you calculate Thevenin's voltage, that is ETH given. So given circuit can be redrawn like this. Given circuit can be rewritten like this. Here Thevenin's voltage is nothing but a open circuit voltage across these two terminals. Okay, as this is open circuited, as this element is open circuited, then what happens? No current will flow through this. No current will flow through this, that is 0 ampere current will flow through this. The same voltage will appear across the 7 ohm resistance. So whatever the voltage that is across AB, the same voltage across 7 ohm resistance. Okay, so how to calculate V Thevenin's, which is equals to voltage division method. Just use the voltage division, that is 50 into voltage across 7 ohm, that is 7 by 3 plus 7. What you will get? 50 into 7 by 10. 10 ones are 10 5s are, therefore 35 volts. 35 volts is the Thevenin's voltage for given network. So before attempting the question, it's better to write the what is Thevenin's voltage and how the basic network will be. You can write that. After that you can attempt the given question by using the given data. And second previous question, this question given in SSCGE 2010 for 10 marks, and find the current through 5 ohm resistance. Find the current through 5 ohm resistor in the given circuit using Thevenin's theorem. Very important model this one is. So given circuit can be rewritten like this. By removing the 5 ohm resistance, you can show the open circuit voltage, that is VTH. VTH, let it be, then this is A and this is B. And for calculating Thevenin's voltage, you will apply KVL here, and while applying KVL, you need to answer a current. You have to know that. Okay, for knowing the current, you can use the KVL here. You can see, take this as a one loop. Okay, take this as a one loop, then minus 12 plus 1 ohm, 2 ohm and 2i. Let it be I current is flowing in this, that is 5i plus 10 is equals to 0. Okay, you started here, starting minus is there, and here this is plus, this is minus, this is plus, this is minus, and this is plus, this is minus. Therefore 1 into I, 2 into I, 2 into I, that is 5 into I, and plus 10. It's starting what is there, this is plus and this is minus, therefore plus 10 equals to 0. So based on this, what you can say, I equals to, that is 2 by 5, that is 0.4 ampere current is flowing through this. I equals to 0.4 ampere current is flowing through this network. So with this you can easily calculate the Thevenin's voltage in step 2. In step 2, for calculating the Thevenin's voltage, apply the KVL in this loop only. In first loop only you apply KVL. So what you will get? So minus 12 plus 0.4 plus VTH is equals to 0. Okay, so what you will get? VTH equals to 12 minus 0.4, that is 11.6 volts. Thevenin's voltage is 11.6 volts is the Thevenin's voltage. Okay. In step 3 you can calculate the Thevenin's resistance also, that is RTh for the given network. And if you remove the voltage sources, then what happens? 1 ohm in parallel with the series combination of 2 ohm and 2 ohm, that is 2 plus 2. Okay. So what you will get? That is 4 parallel to 1, that is 4 into 1 by 4 plus 1. 4 by 5, that is 0.8 ohms. 0.8 ohms is the Thevenin's resistance. Okay. 0.8 ohms is the Thevenin's resistance. So for calculating the current in the given network, I equals to VTh by RTh plus RL. RTh plus RL. So Thevenin's voltage you got it. What is the Thevenin's voltage you have got? 11.6. Okay, in the previous solution you got 11.6 and RTh is 0.8 and the load resistance you already given. What is the load resistance here? 5 ohms given. So simplify that, 11.6 by 0.8 plus 5, that is 5.8. So multiply with 10 on numerator and denominator, then what you will get? 116 by 58. 58 ones are 58 twos are. Therefore, the current across, the current through the 5 ohm resistance is 2 ampere current. Okay, 2 ampere current is flowing through this 5 ohm resistance. And in step 4 you can show like this, Thevenin's voltage and Thevenin's resistance. This is the load resistance 5 ohms given and this is the RTh 0.8 ohm and VTh is 11.6. It's better to show in circuit. Okay, as this is a descriptive exam, you have to show each and every step. So you will get this 2 ampere current. And this is also similar to previous model only, and most of the questions models are repetitive in nature in descriptive exam. So if you practice the previous questions, and most of the models will be repeated. Okay. So find the current in 10 ohm resistance. Okay. For calculating current in 10 ohm resistance using Thevenin's theorem. So for using Thevenin's theorem, you have to calculate the Thevenin's voltage and Thevenin's resistance, and later see I equals to VTh by RTh plus RL. For this kind of models, always you have to calculate this. I equals to VTh by RTh plus RL. We have to calculate the Thevenin's voltage. How do you calculate? By removing the terminal, by removing the given terminal, we have to put the VTh, and after that you have to remove the terminal, you have to write the RTh, and you have to calculate the equivalent resistance between the two terminals, and load resistance will be given. Later you have to substitute that. Okay, you can see. So given circuit can be rewritten like this. This is the positive terminal, this is negative terminal. As the current is flowing in this, let it be this is plus, this is minus, this is plus, this is minus. So based on this, you can apply KVL initially. Apply KVL. This is step 1. Apply KVL. Apply KVL. What you will get? Minus 10 plus 5i plus 5i plus 5 equals to 0. What you will get? I equals to what you will get? 10 minus 5, that is 5 by 10, that is 5 ones are 5 twos are, that is 0.5. So 0.5 ampere is current is flowing through this network. So after calculating the current, you can use the you can calculate the Thevenin's voltage by applying the KVL in first loop. Okay, apply the KVL here. What you will get? So minus 10 plus 5 into 0.5 plus VTh equals to 0. So what you will get? VTh is equals to minus 10, send that side, 10 minus 5 into 0.5, that is 10 minus 2.5. 10 minus 2.5, what you will get? 7.5 volts. 7.5 volts is the Thevenin's voltage. And after that, you can calculate the Thevenin's resistance also in step 3. Thevenin's resistance. For calculating Thevenin's resistance, it is the equivalent resistance between the two terminals, and voltage source will be short circuited, current source will be open circuited. So for calculating Thevenin's resistance between these two terminals, what you will do? And this 5 ohms and 5 ohms will be in parallel. You can show the network also. Here I am not showing here. by shorting this one and this one, you can show the network. If we redraw the given circuit, it will appear like this. Voltage source will be short circuited, and between these two terminals we have to calculate the Thevenin's resistance. Therefore, this 5 ohms and 5 ohms will be in parallel. 5 ohms and 5 ohms will be in parallel. Therefore, 5 into 5 by 5 plus 5, that is 25 by 10. 2.5, that is 2.5 ohms is the Thevenin's resistance for given circuit. Okay. Now we can show the Thevenin's equivalent circuit, and then you can calculate the given current. So VTH, you know that is VTH, how much you got? VTH equals to 7.5 volts, and RTH also you know that RTH is equals to 2.5 ohms, and the load resistance also given. What is the load resistance? And the current through the 10 ohms we have to calculate, therefore it will be the load resistance. Current through the 10 ohms we have to calculate, therefore it will be the load resistance here. Okay, this is RL. So substitute here, I equals to VTH by RTH plus RL. What is the Thevenin's voltage here? 7.5. 7.5 by Thevenin's resistance is 2.5 plus load resistance is 10. So 7.5 by 12.5. So multiply with 10 on both sides, what you will get? 75 by 125. 25 3s are 25 5s are. So simplify this, 5.6. So 0.6 ampere current, I equal to 0.6 ampere current you will get. So this is the required current for given circuit. And this is the fourth important model and previous question. And current in the network we have to calculate using Thevenin's theorem. And this is important, watch it completely. So for calculating the current through the 3 ohm resistance using Thevenin's theorem, we have to remove that element. So whatever the current we have to calculate through that element, we have to remove that element and we have to replace with Thevenin's voltage, that is open circuit voltage across it we have to calculate, and the Thevenin's resistance also we have to calculate across these two terminals. Later we have to substitute in the basic formula, that is I equals to VTH by RTH plus RL. We have to calculate the Thevenin's voltage and later Thevenin's resistance, and the load resistance 3 ohms we have to substitute, and like that we can calculate the current using Thevenin's theorem. So given circuit can be rewritten like this. So as this is open circuit, 3 ohm element we removed, so this becomes open circuit. As this is open circuit, no current will flow through this 1 ohm resistance. No current will flow through this 1 ohm resistance. So whatever the voltage that appear across this 10 ampere source, the same voltage will appear across these two terminals. So we can show it as VTH. Here let it be, this is V1, which is nothing but a Thevenin's voltage. So instead of applying KVL here, better to apply KCL here. So apply KCL, then what you will get? V1 minus 10 by 2 plus V1 by 2 minus 10 equals to 0. So by applying KCL you will get this. So V1 by 2 plus V1 by 2, so this minus 10 send that side becomes plus 10, and minus 10 by 2 send that side you will get plus 10 by 2. Therefore 10 ones are 10 5s are, that is 15. So V1 by 2 can be written as 2 V1 by 2, which is equals to 15, and 2 to cancel, therefore V1 equal to 15 volts. Here V1 is nothing but a VTH, therefore the Thevenin's voltage equals to 15 volts from the given circuit. So we got the Thevenin's voltage. So after that, if you calculate the Thevenin's resistance also, you can easily calculate the required current. So in step 2, for calculating Thevenin's resistance, the given circuit can be rewritten like this. So it will appear like this, equivalent resistance. So RTH is equals to 1 plus 2 parallel to 2. Therefore 1 plus 2 into 2 by 2 plus 2, that is 4 by 4, that is 1. Therefore 2 ohms is the Thevenin's equivalent resistance. Thevenin's resistance is 2 ohms. So now in step 3 you can redraw the given network as Thevenin's equivalent circuit, that is voltage source in series with the resistance, and you can draw the diagram. After that you can substitute in I equal to VTH by RTH plus RL. So VTH, you know that. What is the VTH you have got? That is 15 volts. That is 15 by RTH. How much you got? 2. And the load resistance how much given? 3 ohm. Just substitute here 15 by 5. That is so 3 ampere current. So 3 ampere current is flowing through the 3 ohm resistance. So just draw here equivalent resistance, also equivalent circuit also you draw here in step 3, and you can substitute in this formula. You will get the given answer. So these are the some of the important models. These are the some of the important models in Thevenin's theorem. Okay. So all are very important, and before attempting question, it's better to write the theorem first, and after that you have to write the basic network, and later you can attempt the given question, so that you will get the full marks. And thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.